I'm gonna be turning into my mom. So I saw this tag going around. I believe Patrick Starrr did it, and I think a couple other people did it too, where they did a makeup transformation where they did their makeup like their mom did when she was younger. I found some old pictures of my mom. I will pop up a picture of my mom like right here or something so you can get an idea of the makeup look I'm doing. I also have it on my phone right here. Look at that hair. The hair is bigger than I am. I do not know exactly what makeup product she used. I'm going to assume she started with some foundation. I'm assuming this became a tag because it was like around Mother's Day. So I wanted to kind of do this as sort of a unique kind of homemade gift for my mom. I don't know if that counts as a gift, but I thought it'd be kind of funny, and I thought she would find it funny if I redid her makeup from like the 80s. It doesn't really look like she has concealer on in the picture. Maybe I'll just put a little bit on. Oh, honey. She didn't bother trying to give herself an arch with her eyebrow. I'm trying to be funny in this, okay? I actually think my mom looks very cute in these. I'm just trying to be a little bit funny. Oh, she definitely has some blush on. Maybe a little bit of contour. Did people contour in the 80s? It kind of looks like she might be contoured a little bit. I guess my mom was just ahead of her time. So I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit of contour. Let's add some blush because she definitely has some blush on in the picture. She's much more tan than me in this picture too. Let's add a little more because it looks like homegirl went a little apeshit with it. I'm just kidding, kind of. It looks like my mom was contouring before contouring was a big deal. It's like a very subtle, soft contouring, it looks like. I didn't know people contoured in the 80s. It looks like she even contoured her nose a little bit, which I think is awesome. Like, I kind of have a natural arch, and I always try to accentuate it when I do my eyebrows, but it doesn't really look like she did that. I think my eyebrows are a little bit like longer this way than my mom's are, but whatever. Okay, she used a lot of eyeliner, it looks like a lot. It kind of looks like she just lined her entire eye with eyeliner and then maybe like smudged it a little on the top. I hate this eyeliner so much. Maybelline Define a Line. It sucks so bad. Brought it underneath like about halfway. I don't really know even how to do this, but we're gonna try. Damn, I don't know if I can do that. My hair's a little greasy right now, so I'm gonna go in with some dry shampoo. I guess we're just gonna tease the shit out of my hair. How long did it take them to do their hair like this? Okay, I think we're getting there. I've teased my hair for like 20 minutes. This cannot be good for your hair. I'm actually kind of freaking out because I'm dealing really bad with postpartum hair loss and I just have flat hair. Can't get it up. Damn, and she's got her hair curled. I bet it took her hours to tease and curl everything. So after curling it, I'm kind of digging it. Although I still cannot get my hair as big as my mom. That is like a superpower. Get your hair to defy gravity that much. Like, holy shit. My hair is just not having it. I think it still looks 80s-esque. Oh my gosh. Look at that girl with the flat hair. Look how flat her hair is. I wonder if that's what it was like in the 80s. If like you got made fun of if you didn't have big hair. When I was in high school, what all the girls wanted was like super like pin straight hair. At least at my high school, it was like they would go crazy with that straightener, man. I used to do it too. It was not cute, but we thought it was cute. Maybe I need more hairspray. Shit. I look like a lion. This is actually kind of everything. I think we just need to finish it up with some red lipstick. So this is me turning into my mom. I don't know what the fuck she put in her hair, but I tried and tried and tried to make my hair huge. I actually kind of love it. So let's do the pose that my mom did. Well, I look nothing like my mom in this. I mean, I did my makeup like hers. Her face looks a lot skinnier than mine. I'm like the round-faced, flatter-haired version of my mom when she was like 20. But you know, whatever. Close enough, right? When you order it online versus when it comes in person. I hope that you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I hope you do, but wouldn't blame me if you didn't. I will see you guys in my next video.